Why do I gotta always start off your intros? It's your video.
I'm telling you, you'll get some.
You ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Go ahead, bro.
What is up, guys?
Alright, this man has me doing his intro again. First regional. I don't feel like doing this, but he's bowling on 8 games of 45 feet of dragon today.
You sound so dry.
You want to do this? You want to do this?
Yeah, turn around.
Oh, okay. I'll do it willingly.
Okay.
Welcome back, guys. My brother just sounds like he's stupid. Yeah, we're here in Fayetteville, Lafayette Lanes. 8 games of Dragon. Gonna have lots of fun. First regional, by the way. And, you know, let's just hope I don't throw any gutter balls.
Like you did yesterday.
All right, that was practice. Anybody wants to be my video editor, let me know. Mine is about to get fired. But yeah, it's gonna be lots of fun. We got Chris Miller down there somewhere.
Yeah, in the pink jersey.
But it's gonna be fun. Say hey, Chris. Chris. Miller. Say hey. So it's gonna be lots of fun.
Okay.
So my mom gave me her jacket. She loves her oldest boy.
Okay.
And in my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we shared, this is what we're waiting for. And in my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we shared, this is what we're waiting for. In my mind, in my head, this is where we all come. In my mind, in my head, this is where we all come. In my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we shared, this is what we're waiting for.
So first game, 217, grinded out the spares. First frame, he chopped the 5 freaking, I don't know. It was bucket without the sleeper. Chopped it 7-2 count. Grinded the rest of his spares. Struck out for a 217. So right now, first game, 217 over. Just trying to keep him in the present and slow everything down. So keep you updated.
Was on that first night, you took me to paradise, baby. Now you're in and out my life, I don't know how to survive. It's crazy. My heart beats deep inside, it's like you're knocking on my door, and then you hurt me right, you cut me down, then you turn around and break my whole thing, cry to me, just to let me on the loose so silently. Tell me I'm the one thing, lie to me, say you want me back, see how I react, and that's the price we pay. No love, no love, no love. No love, no love, no love. Stay calling my phone, but I don't wanna know where you've been. Say you're all alone, but I guess he's just another friend. I don't wanna know where you've been. I just wanna know how we get so cold in the end. My heart beats deep inside, it's like you're knocking on my door, and you hurt me right, you cut me down, and then you turn around and bring my whole thing, cry to me, lie to me. Tell me I'm the whole thing, lie to me. Say you want me back, see how I react, and that's the price we pay. No love, no love, no love. No love, no love. Think, cry to me, just to let me know so silently. Tell me I'm the one thing, lie to me, say you want me back, see how I react, and that's the price we pay. No love.
Recap after 4. He was sitting at 19 over after 2, 217, 202, and then went in a downhill slump for 152, 149. Just trying to keep him out of his head as much as possible. I'm trying to keep him not so much of results focus, but more of a right now type of focus, if that makes sense. I feel like he's overthinking, and the overthinking is causing him to be eager and very fast at the line. So we're just going to keep it pushing. So stay tuned.
Oh yeah, football.
I don't think so. I would probably sit over here.
Oh, good ball. Oh yeah, good shot.
What's up, guys? Rajmir is here again. Sorry if I'm breathing in my mic. Just wanted to shout out Brian for shooting a 299 at the Fayetteville Regional. Brother was actually pretty hot out the gate, 217 first game at his first regional. Most people don't do that. And most people don't also have, a flush strike in their... God, why is that so... That's so frustrating to say, flush strike. Okay. In their first game. He was getting into his head for those next 6 games. Well, technically 5 games. I was trying to keep him present as possible, as I told you guys at like the middle part of the video. We had a little chat outside, about league bowling, tournament bowling, just bowling in general, the basics. I was telling him, that kind of caught his eye and also his ear along with that, that you can't bowl trying to prove a point. You have to bowl with a purpose. If you don't bowl with a purpose, then why are you doing it? That's like hitting a target without a point, Yeah, I kind of messed that up, but anyways, you guys get the point. As long as you hit the target. All right, focus. All right. Shout out to Wayne Bolin. My brother was able to network with some of the professionals that have been in the regional tour for some time now, 10 plus years, 5 years, just some great amount of experienced players in the regional tour. However, he's been working his hind part off, and other than that, I'm glad to say that I'm proud of him. You know, he was brave enough to, you know, lace up his shoes. Not only that, but I'm not trying to be funny when I say this, but also, you know, shoot low games. You know, like he was brave enough to bowl rather than not bowling. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video and this outro. It was very long. Sorry to keep you guys waiting. So, yeah. Bashkale bong bong barjiggly barjiggly. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.